Hi, my name's Nick. I also go by Nikocado Avocado on social media, and I just turned 23 and I live in West Palm Beach, Florida. Veganism affects not only yourself, but it affects other people. It affects the environment. It affects the animals, of course, animals that are being raised and killed for our consumption and usage. It affects us spiritually and mentally.
Ouch! That was hot.
Are you sure this won't kill me?
99% sure.
Okay, well, yeah, that's on tape. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. I like it. It's very strong. It's very strong. It's like sharp cheddar cheese. Sharp cheddar cheese.
I love cheese. I love cheese. I love cheese. Yes, I do. Perfect right there.
Are you sure this won't kill me?
Try again. Alright. It doesn't really taste like coconut water, does it?
No,
It tastes gross.
Like
It tastes really gross, I know.
My baby. Germs, germs, germs. Take that. Okay, so here's the part you eat, this like gummy looking thing.
So juicy. Oh my god.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Better to have more sleep than a lack of sleep, I would say, personally, for me anyway. Yeah, so I'm not really having that problem, whereas Nicholas is.
I don't know why. Usually if I can't sleep well, it means I'm not eating enough.
Well, maybe it's because it's your first time, like your body's not used to it. Maybe
This is very watery and juicy. I've never had one this hydrating before, and I would never call jackfruit like a hydrating fruit.
Really?
No.
Oh no. See,
I've always had dry jackfruit.
the thing about jackfruit as well is like there's so many.
Ooh, look at all this meat here. I just want to go like this. Oh, this is good. Oh. Have I been buying bad lobster?
I'm saying, let's say you were to eat greens in the morning, you won't get cravings for like all this nasty stuff throughout the day. You won't get, you know, cravings for like junk food or something. Like you eat a lot less. I mean, you don't eat junk food, period. Not really, so you don't know. But for
Well-
people out there that eat, like, love junk food, oily food, fried food, if you
Greens
cut
help.
greens, you'll eat so much less.
You know,
Yeah?
when I first came to the raw vegan lifestyle, I was told that we eat for two reasons.
Yeah.
We eat for caloric needs
Yeah.
and for nutritional needs. And when you're eating foods high in calories but low in nutrients, you tend to overeat because you still have to meet those nutritional requirements.
This is huge. This is their XXXL. It's 3XLs. I'm only a 1XL, so before you say anything, he's matching his food today. Look at this. This is huge. Whoa. Excuse me, vegan burger. Just look at that. Whoa. 3 huge meats.
If you're watching this and you do eat meat and dairy, it doesn't make you a bad person. You know, you are desensitized and you are disconnected from what's actually happening. I mean, if you had to kill an animal and just, you know, rip its throat out every time you wanted to eat, and you had the choice otherwise to, you know, eat some potatoes or some rice or pick a banana, I feel like 90% of people are going to choose that option over the killing, because, you know, there's a reason why our ancestors and the Native Americans prayed before they sacrificed an animal, or they gave thanks, or they felt something, because it's just innate in us. We're compassionate beings. So if the world went vegan, we in turn would be more compassionate. We wouldn't have to inflict that type of suffering onto other animals.